Use die of when the cause is inside the body, like a sickness. Use die from when the cause comes from outside the body, like an accident. Number one, he might blank a heart attack. A heart attack happens inside the body. It is a health problem, not an accident. That is why we say die of. He might die of a heart attack. Number two, many people blank hunger in poor countries. Hunger is a condition that slowly happens inside the body when there is not enough food. It is not an outside accident, so we use die of. Many people die of hunger in poor countries. Number three, she slipped on ice and blank a broken leg. Slipping on ice is an accident from outside. The broken leg is a result of this accident. That is why we say died from. She slipped on ice and died from a broken leg. Number four, old Mr. Wang blank a stroke last year. A stroke happens inside the body when the blood does not flow to the brain. It is a health problem, not an outside accident. So we use die of. Old Mr. Wang died of a stroke last year. Number five, they blank food poisoning after eating bad sushi. Food poisoning is an illness that happens inside the body after eating bad food. It is not an accident like falling, so we use die of. They died of food poisoning after eating bad sushi. Number six, he fell off a ladder and blank injuries. Falling off a ladder is an accident from outside. The injuries came because of this accident. That is why we say die from. He fell off a ladder and died from injuries. Number seven, the patient blank cancer after a long illness. Cancer is a disease that grows inside the body. It is not an accident, so we use die of. The patient died of cancer after a long illness. Remember, die of is for things like sickness or disease inside the body. Die from is for accidents or problems from outside the body. If the cause is inside, use of. If the cause is outside, use from. Now try 7 more extra questions and then check the answers. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. I'm Nelson. See you next time. Bye.